In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export your projects to Excel in Asana. Whether you're looking to create a report for a meeting, analyze data, or just have your task list handy in a spreadsheet format, exporting to Excel can be incredibly useful. So let's dive right into it and make sure you're comfortable with this process. First, you need to navigate to your Asana homepage. To do this, simply open your Asana dashboard. Once you're logged in, you'll be welcomed by the home screen, where you can see all your tasks and projects neatly organized. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout. If you're not already accustomed to it, it's always helpful to know your way around before getting started on specific tasks. Next, identify the project you wish to export. This will be the project whose details you want in an Excel format. Select the desired project from your list. You should see a range of options displaying the tasks contained within that project. Before proceeding, ensure that this is indeed the project you want to export, as the subsequent actions will affect this choice. After selecting your project, focus your attention on the toolbar located at the top of the screen. Here, you will find various options for managing your project. Look for the Actions button, which usually resembles a drop-down menu or an ellipsis. Clicking on this button reveals several options that allow you to perform different actions on your project. Amongst these is the Sync Export option. Once you click on Actions, a drop-down menu will appear. Navigate through the options and select Synchronous Export. This action will lead you to another list of choices for how you want to manage or export your project data. Now, find the option labeled Project Tasks as SAI or V. CSV, or comma-separated values, is a format compatible with many spreadsheet applications, including Excel. By choosing to export as a file, you're essentially setting the stage to transfer your data into Excel. So go ahead and select Project Tasks as SAIs and V from the list. After selecting this, you're just one step away from completing the export. What you need to do now is click on the Export CSV button. This action will initiate the download of your project data in CSV format. Once your file has been downloaded, open it using Excel or any other spreadsheet application that you prefer. You'll now have all your project data accessible for further manipulation, analysis, or reporting, and there you have it. You've successfully exported your project from Asana to Excel. This task can tremendously streamline your workflow and enhance your project management capabilities. As you get more familiar with this process, you'll find it becomes second nature and a handy tool in your project management arsenal. Thank you for watching.